Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Your device is plugged in and on a stable network, and your Chrome data is synced. Open Chrome, click the three dots, then help right arrow about Google Chrome. Once you do that, Chrome will automatically check for updates and start downloading any available version. You need this step because updates deliver security fixes and compatibility improvements. If an update is available, let it download. Otherwise, Chrome will say it's up to date. Now move to the next steps to finish the install. Once the download starts, monitor progress on the About page. You may see a percentage or spinning icon. If Chrome prompts for administrator permission, grant it so the installer can write system files. For multi-profile setups, repeat the check in each profile to ensure all profiles are updated. If the update stalls, go to Chrome, //settings/help for a fresh status check and to trigger a retry. This stage matters because partial updates cause extension conflicts or version mismatches. Make sure after installation completes, click Relaunch to apply the update. Chrome will reopen your tabs. Verify the version again under About to confirm success. Make sure extensions work and clear cache if you see rendering issues, because leftover files can conflict with the new browser build. If the update fails repeatedly, uninstall and reinstall Chrome or check for enterprise policies blocking updates. On Windows, you may need to remove update policies in the registry. Key troubleshooting tip: reinstalling Chrome typically resolves corrupted updater problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.